Eating is another thing which can impact a lot on your daily life and especially on your weight management. A healthy diet plan can always keep your weight in check, and if you are eating without any certain plan, then it will create chaos for your body and will ultimately increase or decrease your weight alarmingly. You need to know that how many calories you are consuming every day. There are lots of different calories meters available which can tell you the exact amount of calories in your daily diet. Following 9 are some of the general trends which you can follow to make your diet plan healthier. First of all, you need to add more fruit in your diet. Fruit is the healthiest natural diet which you can get, and almost every fruit is enriched with different vitamins, and these vitamins are available in their purest form in these fruits. These days, people are very afraid of vegetables, and they do not like to add vegetables in their diet because vegetables are not very spicy. But you should not be a victim of this trend, as it is a very unhealthy trend, and you need to add good amount of vegetables in your diet. Even if you do not like to take vegetables in their traditional form, then add them in some snacks and eat them every now and then with lunch or dinner. You should also try and add a salad with your dinner and lunch. This is a very healthy habit which can make you to cut your appetite, and you will be eating healthier food. Cut the use of fat and try to use some fat-free daily. Try to avoid junk and fast food as much as you can because it is very unhealthy food with full of unhealthy fats.